Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well. So students, today we are going to learn force, energy and simple machines from our EVS book. So let's begin. In this chapter, firstly we will learn about force. What is force? A push or pull that acts on an object is called a force. Effects of force: sets objects in motion or rest, changes the speed of an object, changes the direction of motion of an object, changes the shape and size of an object. Now, types of forces. There are two types of forces: contact force, non-contact force. This force acts when objects are in physical contact. This is called contact force. Non-contact force: this force acts when objects are not in physical contact. Examples of contact force: muscular force, mechanical force or frictional force. Examples of non-contact force: magnetic force, electrostatic force or gravitational force. Frictional force arises when two objects in contact move or tend to move relative to each other. As you can see in this picture, here is a cupboard और ये कबर्ड ग्राउंड से कब मूव करेगी? जब मस्कुलर फोर्स के द्वारा उसे पुल या पुश किया जाएगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स. फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग फ्रिक्शन. अभी किस पे डिपेंड करता है? वेट ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. Lighter objects experience less friction than heavier objects. Like light object तो इसमें less friction, heavy objects so more friction. Factors affecting friction depend on nature of surface. Smooth surface offer less friction than rough surface. अब देखो जैसे कि यहाँ पर ये स्मूथ सरफेस है, इसमें लेस फ्रिक्शन यूज हो रहा है और ये रफ सरफेस है तो उसमें मोर फ्रिक्शन. एडवांटेज ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. फ्रिक्शन हेल्प्स अस होल्ड एंड लिफ्ट डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. फ्रिक्शन हेल्प अस राइट ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर. फ्रिक्शन हेल्प अस एंड व्हीकल्स मूव विदाउट स्लिपिंग ऑन अ सरफेस. Friction helps in stopping vehicles by applying brakes. Disadvantage of friction. Friction makes it difficult to move heavy things across the floor. Friction heats up the moving parts of machines. The soles of shoes wear out due to friction. Machines produce noise due to friction. What is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. Energy is present in different forms: electrical energy, heat energy, hydro energy, wind energy and solar energy. Renewable sources of energy never get depleted and can be used again and again. The sun, water and wind are renewable sources of energy. The energy obtained from these sources is renewable. Non-renewable sources of energy are present in a limited amount in nature and will not last for a long period of time. Coal, oil and natural gas are non-renewable sources of energy. The energy obtained from these sources is non-renewable. Thank you, my dear friends.